60,000. That's almost double what we engaged in the last Chapa Dimba in 2019. We've engaged 3,300 teams, but this is a very special Chapa Dimba. It's not just about football. Yes. We've engaged the local community on medical camps through our foundation M-Pesa. We are going to be sponsoring the top 150 boys and girls on TVET, a technical course of their choice, which is fantastic. And then also we are starting to educate, to drive financial education, literacy among the border borders.
This is the first time that is a Chapa Dimba. I'm very happy to win the national side. As long as you may believe on yourself, as a team, you can win, you can be the champions. I can tell Safaricom to go on with what it's doing, because it's tapping the talent, it's helping, it's getting its real for the football in Kenya.
Sasa kudefend ni ngumu. Tuliambiwa wachezaji from the word go. Sio mara ya kwanza kuchukua hii trophy. Ninataka turudie kuchukua mara ya pili.
Effort yetu hapo hivyo ground imefanya tumejituma sana. Plateau tournament kai inainua talanta, inajenga talanta wazee. Talanta iko tu mashindani.